Welcome to a Peernet tutorial for PDF Image Printer. In this video, I will describe how to install and activate your purchased copy of PDF Image Printer. PDF Image Printer is initially installed as a 30-day trial by default. When you purchase, you'll receive a serial number as part of your confirmation email, which will allow you to activate your purchased copy. If you have been running a trial on the computer, we highly recommend taking note of any printer settings that you have changed. If you have extensively customized your printer settings, you can save and restore these settings by running the BAT files, Save Printer Settings, and Restore Printer Settings, which can be found in the FAQ entitled, How do I Save and Restore Settings of Image Printer? To begin, access the software download for your purchased copy of PDF Image Printer via your online account. Select Open to install your purchased copy of PDF Image Printer. If you had previously installed the trial, the install will prompt you to uninstall the trial in order to install your purchased copy. After installing, you now need to license your purchased copy of PDF Image Printer by selecting Start, PDF Image Printer, and select License. The Activation Status dialog will appear. This will tell you how many days you have remaining in your 30-day trial period. Alternatively, it might say that your evaluation copy has expired, meaning that the 30-day trial period has elapsed. In either case, click the top button that says, I have a serial number and want to activate my copy. This will launch the activation wizard. Enter your serial number in the blank field. Remember, your serial number can be found in either your order confirmation email or via your online account. It is important to note that the last section of the serial number will only contain A through F or 0 through 9. If you are using a computer that does not have internet access, you can check this box to activate manually. See the PDF Image Printer User Guide under Activating PDF Image Printer, Manually Activating PDF Image Printer for instructions on activating without an internet connection. Click Next. Then enter your contact information. The name and organization information will be automatically picked up from your system settings when possible, although the information in the fields can be changed. You will also need to enter an email address. Click Next. Here you can see a summary of the previous screen. Click the Back button if you need to edit any of the information. Click the Next button if all the information is correct. When the product is successfully activated, this screen will show the activation status as activated. If an error occurred during activation, the activation status will show the error message. The most common error message is, you have reached your activation limit on this serial number. If you'd like to purchase additional activations or need a license adjustment so the license can be reassigned to another computer, contact Peernet support at peernet@peernet.com. Click Finish. Now your computer is running a licensed and activated copy of PDF Image Printer. When you purchase one end-user license of PDF Image Printer, you are purchasing a single activation of the software, which you have just used if you followed the steps in this tutorial. If you purchased your PDF Image Printer with our ongoing licensing and support subscription, you are entitled to request license adjustments, which means you can move the software from one computer to another or relicense your computer following an operating system upgrade or after re-imaging. Our ongoing licensing and support subscription also includes priority technical support and continuous access to your software download via your online account, including all updates and upgrades. This subscription is active for a term of 1 year, at which point you can choose to renew your subscription for another year. If you declined our ongoing licensing and support subscription or have chosen not to renew your subscription, you are not entitled to request license adjustments and therefore cannot reuse your license. If the computer you licensed ever crashes or needs an operating system upgrade or re-imaging, you will have to purchase a new license. You can add the ongoing licensing and support subscription when you have the current version. To add the ongoing licensing and support subscription, go to your online account and select Purchase Ongoing Licensing and Support Subscription. The subscription will be added for a term of 1 year. PDF image printer can be purchased at different license levels beyond the end user license level. For more information, watch our Image Printer Licensing Levels video. If you are unsure of which Peernet image printer would best meet your needs, watch our Comparing Peernet Family of Image Printers video. If you ever have a question or need assistance, we're only a click, call, or tweet away, and we're always happy to help. Try out our PDF image printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.